good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Congratulations to Kenneth Kabungkal for achieving first runner-up at Man of the World 2024. This outstanding achievement is a testament to his hard work, dedication, and exceptional talents. Kenneth's journey to this prestigious title has been marked by relentless determination, discipline, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Throughout the competition, he demonstrated not only remarkable physical attributes, but also intelligence, charisma, and a passion for making a positive impact in the world. Kenneth's performance in various segments of the competition, from the swimwear and evening wear to the talent and Q&A portion, consistently impressed the judges and the audience alike. His ability to connect with people, convey his thoughts eloquently, and showcase his cultural pride set him apart from other contestants. As the first runner-up, Kenneth Kabungkal has now become a role model for aspiring young men worldwide. His achievement highlights the importance of perseverance and staying true to one's values, and Kenneth's success will undoubtedly inspire many to pursue their dreams with the same fervor and dedication. And beyond the competition, Kenneth's new platform as first runner-up will allow him to advocate for causes he is passionate about, further solidifying his role as a positive influence in the community. And this remarkable milestone in his life marks the beginning of even greener opportunities and successes. Congratulations, Kenneth. We're proud of you. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!